na. Gago.
Ang mga Facebook
Mga
ba?
naman ha.
Gago lagi.
Ay, pito book! Ay, nasoto. Oh,
Yeah, what shape is this? Very good. This one.
bagan.
O sa circle balot. Saan eh? Shape. Color.
Yellow.
This one. This one, what is this? Lollipop.
Yellow, pop.
Color.
White.
So, bagong tika, ma-white ni. Ang saan ni? Purple.
Purple.
This one.
Yeah.
Ang saan ni?
Yellow.
Yeah. But what is this?
Yeah.
Donut.
Donut.
This one.
Box.
This one.
Ball.
What's this? Tree.
King.
Tree.
Tea.
What kind of tree? Pine tree.
Crunchy.
What shape is this? What shape is this? This one.
Pickle.
Very good. This one. What shape? What shape is this, Mikey? What shape is that?
Ah, this. Pickle.
Yeah, square. Very good. Square.
Yeah.
Tapos mo na dala?
Pato.
O ano siya? Draw a circle around each thing that has the shape of a triangle. O, bilugan. Ang may mga triangle na shape. O, asa tayo may triangle? Where?
Mali.
Asa pa? Ang triangle. Asa pa, Jude?
Pataka.
Oh.
Ano?
Unsan ni? Cheese. This one.
Bye bye.
This one. This one. Kite.
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 Kite. Kite.
This one. Oh. Draw a circle around each thing that has the shape of a square. Oh, shape of a square. Oh, asang square? Where's the square? Asa pa? Asa pa, Jod? Are.
No.
Very good na ka, very good na.
Yeah.
Pero,
B.
are, unsa shape ani? Circle.
Pickle.
This one. This one. This one. This one.
Pickle.
This one.
Pickle.
Yeah, very good.
Circle.
This one. Uy, hari pa, baby. Hari.
Mali ulit. Blue.
No.
Ay, no, bakla. This one lang. Dalian lang. Para matapos ka lang. This one.
Horse.
House ka karon. Shape. Triangle.
Triangle.
Oh, nai-box sa sulod. So, ay, nai-box. Unsa ang ibutan diri para same shape sila, dapat nakaibutang. Unsa man, todlo, unsa dapat ang ibutan dira? Hindi na, unsa ang ibutan diri? Diri, pick diri, asa diri ang may mga square. Ang ibutang dapat diri sa sulod sa square. Asa? Connect. This one, like this, like this, Butang, asa mga square dira, connect sa sulod. I-connect! Dara na, asa pa? Sige, i-connect. Asa pa, Jude? Yes, very good. Here. Here. Where's the circle? Connect. Sige, butang.
Suyod.
Tuyot. Sige pa. Sige pa, Jude. Very good. Oh, here. Where's the triangle? Oh, i-connect. Inside. Okay, another one. Okay, very good cake.
No.
Rectangle.
No. Yes. No.
I know. It's not square, Mikey. This one, it's rectangle. Dili ni siya solid diri ha. Dili ni kayo circle ha. Okay? Unsa ni siya shape on TV? Oh, like this, oh, big screen. Oh, shape. Unsa ni shape? This one, TV.
TV.
Oh, unsa shape? Rectangle.
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 Triangle.
Rectangle. This one, triangle.
Triangle.
Rectangle na, ki. Ari.
Triangle.
Ari.
Triangle.
Rectangle. Oh, average. Rectangle.
Triangle.
Rectangle.
Girl.
Rek.
Del.
Tang.
Yang.
Tang.
Tang.
Gel.
Girl.
Rek.
Del.
Tang.
Dia. Tang.
Gel. Oh, dere. Connect. Where's the rectangle? Na, kara lang.
Mali ka. Nahulog.
Sa akin. No, square na. Yeah, rectangle din na. Yeah.
Ay, sorry, guys.
It's okay. Where? This one. Okay, very good. Na si Eki.
Who's your man?
Hmm.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, that's square.
Ha-ha.
This one, what's this? Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Shape ang pumpkin. Gano'n siya shape? Circle.
Circles.
Uy, what is this?
Horse.
This one. Dili lagi na sheep.
I.
Goat.
Good.
Goat.
Good.
This one.
Duck.
This one.
Duck. Pig. Pig. Pig.
Chick na.
Chick.
Sa chick.
Chick. Tweet. Tweet. Chick. Chick.
This one, what's this?
Manok.
Rooster. Yeah. This one. Kalabaw.
Kaya ba?
Reindeer.
Yun.
This one.
Yapi.
Rabbit. This one. Mikey. Ay. No, di ay. Katawanan. Narito ako sa letters.
Si.
Letters, taki letters.
Go.
Susan sa A? Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. M. 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 S.
Z.
Ano? S. Na. What's the sound? This one. R.
Z.
Ano? R. Imong tangway, butan sa top. R. Ayun, gawa dyan. R. This one.
Eh, what lang? I don't know.
This one.
Blue? Blue?
Dalian na!
Nakay ko lang blue. La, shit.
Ako ka ba? Batik ka?
Basi ka ron.
Sure, I'm the dad.
What's this? This one.
And
This one.
yabi.
This one.
Pinakakilala ng agon ma.
Sa?
Turtle.
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 This one. Mikey.
5 kilo.
Unggoy.
Unggoy. Unggoy. Slipper start with letter S. Oh, where's the S?
Here.
Okay. Ang ant. Start with oh. Oh, where's the sound oh. Ah.
Ah.
O A O A.
Ah.
Ang R. Ay, ang R ang rabbit.
Ay.
R is for rabbit.
Ah. Ay. Yabi.
Rabbit.
Yabi.
Letter
Yabi.
R.
Ay.
Ang turtle. T.
T.
Ay, turtle start with oh, M. Monkey.
Monkey.
Sounds. Sound sa M. Mm. Na. Ang A, yung sa sound sa A. Oh. Oh. Ang M. Ang S. Sound sa S. Ang sound sa T. Sa. Sa. Ang R. Ra. Ra.
Za.
Ra.
Za.
Ra. Connect. Asa dapat dari ang ikuan ang slipper asa. Ulit, wait.